Former Citizens Coalition for Change (CCC) leader Nelson Chamisa says he has been meeting various people including villagers, community and opinion leaders as he maps his political move after he left the country's main opposition party in late January this year. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Chamisa announced his resignation from CCC on 25th January, alleging ZANU-PF infiltration after party activist Sengezu Chabangu, who claims to be the interim Secretary General, was given carte blanche by state institutions to recall the party's elected representatives. Speaking in an exclusive interview with Newsday, Chamisa said he was not focusing on forming a political movement but on forming a new government. Since leaving CCC, Chamisa has met several diplomatic representatives in the country, including Canadian Ambassador of Zimbabwe, British Ambassador to Zimbabwe, to discuss various political issues. Chamisa refused to accept the outcome of the August 2023 presidential election after President Emerson Mnangagwa was declared the winner. This is the latest move everyone was waiting to hear from Chamisa. So tell us what you think down in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.